Today program, this is a long pending issue. Union leaders of our road transport corporations and employees of road transport corporations, since 2 decades, they were demanding for this issue. Today, Honorable Chief Minister inaugurated cashless treatment in hospitals. Totally about 250 hospitals. We went with them MOU, 250 hospitals. Another 50, 100 will be added in future. Now KSRTC employees will get these benefits, father, mother and employee spouse plus children. Everybody will get free treatment. Monthly they have to pay 650 rupees. That means 808 rupees, 8,000 rupees per year, one employee. They are all family members. They will get free treatment in around 250 hospitals. It may exceed another 50, 100 in future. This will be benefited for their family.
Yeah.